Okay, so this is chapter 5-3, assignment number 27, HIV testing, rapid HIV testing question. So the finding the probability of at least one, this type of question. And many people who come to clinics to be tested for HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, don't come back to learn the test results. So the clinics now use the rapid HIV test. And so the clinic, the testing rate from 16 increased it from 69% to 99.7%. And the trade-off is the fast results is that rapid tests are less accurate than slower lab tests. Okay, applied to the people who have no AIDS, no HIV, I mean, one rapid test has the probability about 0.004% producing the false positive, right? So the problem now is if a clinic tests 200 randomly selected people who are free of HIV virus antibodies, what is the chance that at least one false positive will occur? So you can have, what is the probability that at least one, more than, what's the chance that at least one false positive will occur? It could be 2, it could be 3. So the only complement of at least one is 0 possibility. So we will find out the probability of success instead of a probability of the false false indication, which is, first you have to write down 1 minus 0.04. That's the success rate. I wonder if you remember the success rate for the previous question, which is about the space shuttle and who had an explode. They had an explosion in 1986, and so we multiply the success rate, right? Let's go back to the previous question and let's see this one. About the challenge, space shuttle Challenger disaster. The O-ring joint, that's the probability of success of the checking, and it's the safety rate of 0.977. Or to get the success rate of all, there are 6 rings, O-rings. So we had to have multiply of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 power, I meant, right? So this is the equation we had to get the real success rate. That's a simple multiplication rule. We do the same thing, but we have to get the success rate. This is a failure rate. So 1 minus 0.004 is 0.996, right? So using this, we use 200 patients. So you cannot have more than 1. So what's the success rate of this rate? So you have to have, let's see, 0.996 to the 200 power, 200th power, okay? So 200th power, sorry. So this is the success rate. What is a complement from this success rate? That's a failure rate, right? So you have to complement is 100% is whole minus the success rate. That's the failure rate. So let me plug in this one into calculator. 1, so let's plug in 0.996 to exponent is to the I'm sorry, made a mistake. 0.996 to 200th power, which is this 0.4488A6. Okay, so let's create, that is actually this number, so I have to make it 1 minus. So 1 minus answer is going to be here, equal 0. So that at this 50, let me plug in here. So this is right here. So this is around 0.551. So I put the tilde, double tilde, so it's the estimate value 0.55551. So what is the chance that at least one false positive will occur? So the chance is 55.1%. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is the example about HIV testing. I will come back to next question.